Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the Crypto Lifer. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you came to my channel and you like the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button. And please leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Right now, it is about 1:07 a.m. Eastern Time on June 4th. And I want to show you guys what's going on with Bitcoin. Now, everyone knows, most people know, that Bitcoin's in this bear pennant. It could break up 32% chance or a 68% chance that it breaks the downside. Also, what we also see here is Bitcoin was in a rising wedge, like so, and we know that a rising wedge also breaks to the downside. Okay? So this was a pattern we were looking at closely. And it said, Bitcoin could break this bottom trend line. But the 200-day moving average came in there on the 1 hour, held support. We also see we're about to have a golden cross on the 1 hour, which would be the 50-day crossing over the 200-day moving average. That's a big deal. That's something you want to take note of, okay? Also, we see a MACD crossing, and we see movement on the stochastics, RSI. So it's telling us all three of these are telling us that we want to have a break to the upside, all right? So what I did is I went to the 15-minute, and I talked to my group, and I drew this pennant when we were right about here. And I said, we're going to know by 1 or 2 in the morning whether we break out of this. And boom, boy, did we break out. And now Bitcoin just crossed 38K with a very strong candle move here. Now, I was talking about 38K all day today on my live stream. It was a big deal. This is actually pretty sweet right now. So far, so good. Watching this giant candle on Bitcoin absolutely explode right here on the 15-minute. It's a strong candle, 1% in a 15-minute candle. It's pretty damn sweet. So we are overextended. That was a beautiful rally. You can see that even the 15-minute was oversold, and we boomed all the way up. We had a nice move from about 37,206 all the way to 38,364. Now, I just want to see us hold above this level now. I kept saying if a candle can close above 38K, I'd be a happy camper. We didn't get it. We got rejected earlier today, but we made it back. We made it, like right here, look, we made it across this previous high, came all the way up to 38K, but got rejected to come back down and make a move. So this is a rising wedge with a measured move. You come down here and you could say, okay, well, the measured move out of this rising wedge would be here. Okay, and that would bring us back down to ground zero at about 33,800. Okay, this is still on the table, and this could definitely happen. That could begin the breakdown of this bear pennant. It could also be the breakdown of this rising wedge. So I need to tell you there's a 68% chance on both of these bigger time frames that Bitcoin is going to break down, and this is a fake out. But if we can get above this trend line on this pop, which I really would like to see, the 1 hour still has momentum, and we can get a candle to close above this trend line, I will begin to remain a lot more bullish than I was before. And here's your update for Bitcoin. Pretty cool to see it pump nicely out of this, falling wedge, falling rectangle in a bit. But it was a bull flag for sure. I mean, pop up, flagging. It bounced off the 200-day moving average. This is what I talked about. The 50-day looks like it's going to cross. Let's look at the daily. Are we going to avert the death cross? That's what I want to know. Are we going to avert the death cross on the daily time frame? That's the next thing I want to see. Now, one thing I like to see is this was coming down sharp. It's now rounding. Whenever this starts to round, it usually kind of tells me that it's beginning to round off. Here, we almost had a death cross. I'll show you back in the past here. We almost had the death cross here, but you can see it started to round. We didn't get it. We just didn't get it. So I'd love to see the 50-day not cross the 200. They look like they're coming for each other very closely. They could happen, and then we could get a drop out of this. So as bullish as everything looks, as nice as everything seems right now, it's still, look, we're extremely oversold in the stochastics, okay? We did get a MACD cross, but to me, lack of bullish momentum, like not enough momentum in my opinion. So all eyes on Bitcoin right now. But we do have a good sign, so I wanted to keep you guys up to date. It's about 1 a.m. Eastern time here in the United States, and Bitcoin's starting to do a bit of a move. I want to see it stay above 38K. If you like what you just saw here, and you like what I did with the charts, I do a live stream every single day from 9:30 to 11:30 Eastern time, USA. I'm also on Saturday nights and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Sunday nights, we go over the weekly candle close for Bitcoin. It's a really good time. It's a blast. Come on in and join the live stream. You won't regret it. I also have an awesome Patreon for $99 a month. Join my beginner's room where I teach you how to do TA, talk about all the different patterns you can find. And I also give tutoring, one-on-one tutoring in the link here too in my description, where you can sit with me and I'll show you how to identify patterns, how to use divergences, how to use moving averages, and kind of put the whole package together to help you use technical analysis to buy at the best place and sell at the best place. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.